6 minus 3 equals 3. And here inside this parenthesis we have 3 minus 6, which equals negative 3. So 3 times negative 3 equals negative 9. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have just one subtraction. Okay, according to the order of operations, first we have to do this parentheses, not this subtraction. Okay, so first this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Inside this parentheses we have 3 minus 6, which gives us negative 3. So we have 6 minus 3 times negative 3. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. In this step, first we have to do this multiplication, because in PEMDAS multiplication comes before subtraction. Okay, so first this negative 3 times negative 3, which equals positive 9. So we have 6 plus 9, which equals just 15. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 15.